with them?
I think it's 9. Okay.
Oh, I missed it.
See how its neck goes thick when it swallows. Up here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Chasing another one.
Oh, he's a chicken.
Killing them all.
Yeah.
Luke picked up 2 of them.
Look, there's one in the road here.
What, lion?
No, chick.
You don't click.
No, she's taking a film.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's ostrich one. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, put on.
Wow.
Yeah, simple key can actually kill a lamb.
Oh, la.
Well, I'm trying to get out of the situation. A giraffe kicking you from the head.
Yeah, that one must be seven.
Yeah, that's true. You go have a look at him. See if he's
I know this guy.
Is it going? Yeah.
I risked my life for that and you're eating my...
So come on.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Let's see. Oh, very gingerly. Oh yeah.
Still very well.
It's okay, but yeah,
It's completely. You think the wound?
Could we get the giraffe like turning around
actually,
over there?
okay.